have the blood there, no? Ready for transfusion. Just leave it at room temperature, ready na to. So this is universal type O blood. Okay, kumusta George? Okay? So, pwede na siyang dahan-dahang umupo, no? And then you can give the patient special drinks, kung meron kayong juice or just water, no? Ang iba, binibigyan ng balut, diba? Or they can slide down for a few minutes, no? 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, kung kaya na niya, dahan-dahan na siyang umupo. Huwag magbibigyan tatayo. Okay, so kaya mo na umupo? Okay nga. Ayos. So thank you, George. Thank you, Jahara for a blood transfusion. The IV fluid is about to be consumed. So first of all, you have to have emergency medication beside you, like your epinephrine, and the anti-allergy, you can inject it before you start the transfusion. So I have Benadryl here, an anti-allergy or antihistamine that you will inject to Jahara before she gets the blood. No? Benadryl is a good one that you can inject before a blood transfusion. The management of, for this patient was cancer in the neck area, or what we call the nasopharyngeal cancer. Is of course, we will start with methotrexate because she cannot tolerate any other chemotherapeutic agent. We will hold the radiation because she does not like to have radiation because of the radiation burns, and surgery is not even possible also. So today we plan to transfuse blood, of course, to correct the anemia. We're giving her intravenous fluids with vitamins. Now, an alternative medicine other than the mangosteen, of course, is another gadget. This is a product in Japan. We call this Stevron fiber. It contains polyvinyl chloride. This is known to be a negative ion clothing. This emits negative ion. Once you put this close, you're in contact with the skin. The history of this clothing in Japan was that during the Second World War, this polyvinyl chloride clothing or fiber, or what we call Teflon or Teflon, has been used during the Second World War to cover the wounds, no, during the Hiroshima bombing. No? They used this special fabric to cover the wounds, and they discovered that the wounds healed faster. No? And then recently, they have lots of testimonies that patients with cancer, if you put it close to the area where there is cancer, cancer growth tend to stop, no? Or sometimes they say that they were cured from cancer. So we will try this, no? We will try this to Jahara. This is like a handkerchief. She will put this in the area, preferably if she can do this 24/7, no? Close to the site. And this can be washed, no? This can be cleaned with ordinary fabric soap. Do not subject this to hot water, okay? So once this is clean, you can put it there, okay? I got this from the United States in one of the conventions in Los Angeles last, I think June. We had a nice convention there where they usually hold an annual awarding and recognition of people who have good experiences with Teflon fibers, or known as Teflon. I have shown this already in my TV program before. Some guests, people have positive results using this special kind of fiber made from Japan. You can purchase this actually. The closest would be Hong Kong. No? We sell this in Hong Kong, or you can order through us. You can call our office at 297-8725. Once again, you can call our office if you want to inquire more about Teflon products, no, or Teflon, at 297-8725. They come in different shapes and forms. In my TV show, I had that guest where this was worn like a regular clothes, no, fashionable clothes, colorful clothes. So this comes in the form of an underwear, bra, no, or some can be shawl. This time, this is like a hanky. In fact, there are even bigger materials, like they come as a blanket. No? This is kind of expensive actually, but this is reusable. The polyvinyl chloride is part of the material, so that's the one emitting negative ion. Supposedly counteracts the positive ion that is happening at the cellular level. Okay, so the way you do this, Yahala, is you just put it there, no? Parang ganyan, ha? So somehow it even protects also the wound, no? So if you can like that. Maganda sana to kung parang yung sa muslin na, no? You can buy that actually if you want that, no? That parang shawl na pino-cover talaga. Yeah. So I will ask my associates if they can send us yung mga used na, no? Yung used nito, na especially yung mga shawl, you can wear that, di ba? Or in the meantime, pagtsagaan mo ng ganyan, and you observe, okay? Ready now, before the transfusion, we will inject an antihistamine we call as Benadryl. Few minutes before the transfusion. Okay. Okay. We're about to start the intravenous infusion of this patient. What's this? Bukas yan. Just insert that there and bring this up. Okay. For the first, take it like first few drops. Slowly, you observe the patient. Initially, wala man siya lagnat, no? She has no fever. Few drops first because you're trying to observe how the patient does transfusion reaction. You stop right away. The patient could have chills or fever, okay, or shortness of breath. Continuity, you stop right away. In the meantime, so, may kamusta? Mapasok mo yung obserbahan mo, ha? Kung wala problema, yung bilis-bilisan na natin, ha? Hindi mo mabagal lang muna. Excuse me. Ayun yung kumalik mo pa. Ayun kanina, yung inject sa'yo, nakakantok yun. Benadryl, nakakantok yun. Observe mo kung nanangati, no? Yan naman.
Kasali pa yung akyat-akyat.
Kasali pa yung akyat-akyat.
Kasali yan.
kagandahan dito sa atin kasi pwede pa natin kantakahantahan ang pasyente natin, no? Bahay lang, di ba? Hindi mo ka nakakatakot sa hospital eh.
Solo-solo mo.
Solo mo. Para sa bahay ka lang.
Lahat na nakikita mo sakit.
Dito.
Hindi ka pa manood ng teleserye.